Hey, what's up? I'm Eric Simmons. I play for a band named Swept to Sea and been playing drums for about 18 years. So the sticks that I use from Collision are the 5ARs. I really like them. They're really well balanced. I like the extra length. It's a really good product. I don't think I'll ever be able to go back to my original drumsticks. I love their support that they've provided. They've been super responsive, and I couldn't ask for a better endorsement. The website to order them, super easy to go through and pick out which sticks you want. It was really carefree. I wanted to say thanks to Collision for welcoming me to the family. The song I'll be playing is an original by my band Swept to Sea, and the song is called Tides Will Turn.
There's no escaping me. Now you will pay the price for fucking with me. The lies and cheats, the slams are in a bigotry. Directions take you on which to go imitate. Brain of the weak, I'll tell you to keep up the streak. You're at the peak of death, will soon come for your head. Now that I've got you, there's something you must do. Annihilate the scars and bring to be the prophecy. Once you cross paths with me, you'll be another tragedy. With power tormented, nothing relationship. Why put the blame on me? Yourself face the insanity. Not persevering you, there is no time to cry. I'll stare you in the eyes to face the disillusioned lies. This chase is ending soon. My crazy is the truth. Yes, it's to liberate the violence and hypocrisy. One day you'll realize this fight has made you ignorant. So the world will see the end of your atrocities. The price to pay, we can